Today I'm gonna teach you exercise number 2.5 differentiation, question number 10 part 5. Secant inverse of x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So now solve this. First step is y. Suppose y is equal to secant inverse of x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. As we know that derivative of secant inverse of x is equal to 1 by mod of x into under root x square minus 1. Derivative of secant inverse of x is equal to 1 by mod of x under root x square minus 1. Now we solve this question y. Here variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx, dy by dx secant inverse of x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, which is equal to derivative secant inverse of x is equal to 1 by, now this term we consider as x. So secant inverse of x, so it which is equal to 1 by x. So this is our x, 1 by x mod of x. X is x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Now under root x square, this term is our x, so x square minus 1. Now we can see that this is not simple x, so we differentiate x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. If this is simple x, then we write simple formula. This is not, this is in the form of quotient, so we will again differentiate this term. Now we solve this. 1 by x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 under root x square plus 1 whole square divided by x square minus 1 whole square. We will split x square plus 1 whole square in the numerator and x square minus 1 whole square in the denominator, minus 1 as it. Now differentiate this term. Here we can see there are variable of two quotient variables, so derivative of two quotient variable. We consider this term as u and this term as v. So derivative of u by v is equal to v, derivative v. V is x square minus 1 and derivative of u is x square plus 1 minus u is x square plus 1, derivative of v is x square minus 1 whole divided by v square. V, this is our v and square. Now we will solve this as well. X square plus 1, x square minus 1 as it is, under root, we'll take LCM, x square minus 1 as it is. X square minus 1 is divided by x square minus 1, but we get 1. 1 is multiplied by numerator. Actually denominator is divided by denominator and the answer we get is multiplied by numerator. So x square minus whole square divided by x square minus 1 whole square, and answer is 1. And we multiply by 1, what we get? X square plus 1 whole square minus x square minus 1 square is divided by 1, what we get? X square minus 1 whole square, and x square minus 1 by whole square, x minus 1 whole square is multiplied by 1, x minus 1 whole square. Now we simplify this. X square minus 1 as it is, derivative of x square. Here we apply power rule according to power rule, and n is 2, x 2 minus 1 becomes 1. Now plus 1, derivative of 1. 1 is constant, derivative of constant is 0, minus, so there is no right to 0, x square plus 1 as it is, and derivative apply on x square minus 1, derivative of x square is, here we apply power rule according to power rule, n is 2, x 2 minus 1 becomes 1, and minus 1, derivative of minus 1, 1 minus 1 is constant, so the derivative of constant is 0, and there is no need to write 0, whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 under root x square plus 1 whole square is multiply, but we get x square plus 1 square plus 1, x4 plus x square plus x square, x4 plus x square plus 1, x4 plus 2x square plus 1. So x4 plus 2x square plus 1, similarly minus x4 minus 2x square plus 1 whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now 2x is common, so we take it outside. Now x square minus 1 and minus x square plus 1 is left, 1, x square minus 1 whole square. Now 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 under root x4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x4, minus into plus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus 1 divided by x square minus 1 whole square. 2x as it is, and x square minus 1 as it is, minus x square minus plus minus, minus plus minus 1, x square minus 1 whole square. This and this cancel, minus 1 minus becomes minus, plus sign minus, minus 2, minus 1 and minus 1 becomes minus 2. Equal to 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 under root x4 minus x4 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2x square plus 2x square, 2 to 4, 4x square, 4x square divided by x square minus 1 whole square, and 2x as it is, and minus 1 minus minus 2, minus 2 divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now 1 by x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, and 4x square, under root of 4x square is we split this 4x square, and under root x square minus 1 whole square. Under root in the numerator and denominator we split and square root. This we put individually in the numerator under root and in the denominator under root. Minus 2 minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now this 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. What is left? And 2 and which is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 and under root 4. Under root 4 2 square is equal to 2 and under root x square is 2x. It means 2x divided by x square minus 1 minus 4x and x square minus 1 whole square. X and x cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and x minus 1 and this x minus 1 and 1 and 1 2 and this 2 cancel. What is left? Minus 2 by x square plus 1. Mod of x square plus 1 is left. So dy by dx. So derivative of secant inverse of x. Secant inverse of x is equal to minus 2 divided by mod of x square plus 1, which is our required solution.